Hashtag short. Y'all see what I see? Yes, my man just did a wiring harness. Complete engine wiring harness on this car. This is a new wiring harness. There's some short circuits in this harness somewhere, guys. Now, what I'm looking for is the old wiring harness. Look at all these new connectors. Y'all know why I'm looking for the old? Here it is right here, guys. Yes, y'all remember that car I had that needed those injector harnesses or injector connectors? The guy tried to do his own tune-up, and he broke the freaking, this right here. He broke these, guys. Remember? He had no guts in his. Okay, so instead of charging, depending on the car warranty or not, I cannot have to charge somebody for a whole, what I'm looking for. Yeah, this right here, it's the injector harness. Okay, so I can either, yeah, he gonna throw this away anyway probably, but I can just simply cut these out and solder in new connectors now that I have some. Okay, I didn't have none before. Well, guess what, guys? Now I do. See, he gonna throw all this away, so I'm sure, yeah, we can keep that. I'm gonna keep these. Oh, if they replaceable, I will. All right, guys, that's all I have.